challenge for us in the commentary box as always. I'm Martin Tyler, Alan Smith's with me.
Not too much of a challenge, I don't think. It should be a good game, this.
Our match today is Wolverhampton Wanderers against Manchester City. And here is the way Wolves are set out for this vital fixture. Well, we put it up as a 5-2-3. It could be 3-4-3, couldn't it, if the wide players get forward from the back?
Yeah, I think it's one of those. It could be anything the manager wants it to be. He has got some very talented lads out there, though.
Manchester City's lineup today. Well, we've gone with a 4-3-3 formation here for them. Is that the way you see it, Alan?
Yeah, I mean, it can be adjusted. It could almost be a
great chance to go in front, and they have done.
Oh, that could be a big goal, because this side knows how to defend a lead. And he won't have hit too many better than this over the years, because that is just arrowing into the top right.
Manchester City are in the lead. That's his game, isn't it? Intercepting. Played forward, a bit of menace in this attack. It's with De Bruyne. Could score! Well, that's the old 1-2. So quick, one after the other. That earlier incident, the big deflection.
Well, that's the life of a defender. You try and put your body in the way, but sometimes it ricochets off.
Well, here's the goal again. Restarting at 2-0. Guedes. Saiz. João Moutinho. And now Bernardo Silva. And in he goes with the tackle. Just read the intentions of the opposition there to make the interception. It's a very good interception. De Bruyne anticipated the direction of the pass and was able to intervene. Good work, really, to read the intention of the pass. In powerfully there. Semedo. Jimenez. Got to pass the ball a bit better than this if they're going to make progress. Giving it straight away. Really in the clear now, in on goal. And the goalkeeper will get this one, no problem. Quick-witted and quick in his movement too to intercept there. Now here's a chance to get at the opposition. Jimenez. Guedes. That's an easy cutout for the opposition, saw the pass coming. Must score! Good work from the keeper. What a brilliant goal. Slow and steady, wins the race. It certainly gives the goal here. I have to say it's so one-sided today, but all credit to the team that are racking up the goals. Bernardo Silva. That's well worked by City here, and they're going forward with a real hint of menace about them. The shot's on! Now it's a corner. Here comes the corner. Defended well. Maybe just kicked it a little bit there, and pass goes straight to the opposition. And shoots! They're going to get a corner here because of that deflection. A wasted corner. Annoyed the players have gone up for it. Sace. João Moutinho.
This could lead to a chance. It's good attacking play. And that goalkeeper can just saunter out and pick that up.
Oh, good idea, I suppose, but it didn't work, so maybe not such a good idea.
And now the shot! He really gave it the laces there, didn't he, Alan?
Yeah, he did connect with it beautifully. Not a bad effort at all.
Oh, mistake by the goalkeeper.
Bernardo Silva!
And he's put it away. Way out of the goalkeeper's reach, right up into the top corner.
Well, he's doubled up here with his second goal, and he took it in excellent style, just like the first one. I don't think we expected this, such a one-sided affair, but look at the scoreline.
Well, they're building steadily here, working away.
Semedo.
Now Kawabe.
Opportunity in a wider area. Had to be very quick, the keeper there, to get the ball. Slipped through. Put in from the wide area.
Well, the cross looked good, but it didn't turn out that way. Looking to take the corner quickly.
Corner's taken. Oh, that's good defending.
45 minutes gone. Really was a very one-sided first half, and the team on the wrong end of that scoreline has got to show a bit of backbone now. We could be in. It's offside, that's what the assistant has said.
Well, when he looks back on that, I think he might be a bit disappointed because the striker seemed to time his run really well.
Excellent interception.
It could be it. Well, it's overhit, isn't it? And it's the goalkeeper's ball.
Now De Bruyne.
Well,
Takes on the shot!
and the keeper can collect this one. Well, this goalkeeper has bags of confidence. I hope he's got bags of ability.
Tried his luck! He's had a real go. It's a decent effort, that, with plenty of sting in it.
Yeah, not far away. He really did fizz it, didn't he?
Sace.
Bernardo Silva. Getting forward well as a team now. And shoots! A goal! Well, scoring in any game is worthy of celebration. When you get two, it is special. And he is feeling that special delight at the moment. I have to say, it's so one-sided today, but all credit to the team that are racking up the goals.
It's a good place to win the ball here.
Tackle here. Plenty of width for the team to attack into. Intercepted well. Bernardo Silva. Now De Bruyne. Made a quick interception. De Bruyne attacking well here.
He's gone for the back heel.
Is with De Bruyne. He's got his shot off now. Threw everything behind that shot and frustrated that it wasn't quite on target.
Well, if he keeps getting in those kind of areas, I'm sure he'll score pretty soon.
Sace.